Good morning, class. How doing all you today? Oh, I hope you could not understand what I wanted to say. Let me say it again. How doing all you today? Again, you could not understand? Because I was not saying the correct thing. I'll repeat once again. How are you all doing today? Now could you understand? Yes. Yes, because I now said it in the correct manner I was supposed to say. And I'm very sure you all are doing quite good and you were really excited for my class again. Okay, now look at this picture and tell me, what do you think this girl is doing? Hmm. Oh, is she watering plants? Am I the? Or I am watering the plants. What do you think this picture shows? Of course, it shows that this girl is watering the plants. So what is she supposed to say? She will say, I am watering the plants. So yes, the blue one is the correct way of saying this. And the red one is the wrong way. All right, I have another one for you. The next picture. Have a look at this. There are two boys. One boy is offering something to the other one. So what do you think they are saying? Would soup you tomato like? Or would you like tomato soup? What do you think is the correct sentence here? Yes, the second one. Would you like tomato soup? The blue one. So the second option, the blue option, is the correct option. So class, today we are going to start with the next topic of your grammar portion, that is the sentence. Tell me, what do you think a sentence is? A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense and express a thought. For example, how are you doing today? I am good. We are playing. All these sentences are making sense and they are complete. That is why I call them as a sentence. Always remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter. We always start it with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. If it is a normal sentence and we are talking in general, we end our sentence with a full stop. If it is a question, we always end it with a question mark. And if we are expressing our sudden feelings, then we end it with an exclamation mark. Well, students, this is how this lesson, the sentence, looks in your book. I've taken this picture from your grammar book itself. And what have we learned today? We have learned that a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense and expresses a thought. Now, I have a few more group of words for you and you have to tell me whether they are a sentence or not. So let's start. I like. Do you think it is a sentence? No, it is not. Let's try the next one. I like watching birds. Do you think it is a sentence? Yes, it is making complete sense. It is starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. So, I like watching birds is a sentence. Now, let's see the next one. Oh, the first one was wrong and the second one is a sentence. You know why? The first one is not making complete sense and the second one is making complete sense. The next one, in the school. Do you think it is giving us full meaning? Are we being able to understand what they are saying? No, I can't understand. Let's check the next one. We study in the school. Yeah, that's making complete sense. It's starting also with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. And it is giving us exact meaning. We study in the school. We know what it is. So, the red one is wrong and the blue one is a sentence. Are you ready to try the next one? So here it is. Birds are. Birds are doing what? We don't know. What are they talking about? I could not understand. That means it is not a sentence. Have a look to the next one. Birds are chirping. Now we know what birds are doing. So it's giving us a complete meaning. Yes, birds are chirping is a sentence. So the red one again is wrong and the blue one wins again. So I hope you all have understood what a sentence is. Always remember, a sentence will always give us a complete meaning. It will never be incomplete. It will express a thought or talk about something. And a sentence has to start with a capital letter and end in a full stop if we are talking about general things. If we are asking a question, it will end with a question mark. And in case of expression of sudden feelings, we put an exclamation mark. So, time to test your knowledge now. I have a worksheet for you. I'm going to give you exactly 15 minutes to do it. And after 15 minutes, you remember what I do. I will give you the answers and you have to check your own answers. And then we'll have your doubt solving session class. You are most welcome to ask any doubt related to what we did yesterday as well as today. So I'll keep 10 minutes for doubt solving. But do not escape. You have to do the exercise on your paper and write today's date. And I'm going to check it when we meet back in school. Thank you. Bye-bye.